level slowly.
Copy that, watching the tension on the forward sling.
Ready to hook on the port side.
Bring it up another 10 feet. Affirmative, 10 feet up.
All right, block it right there.
Pass me that chain, wrap it tight.
Tension on strap 3.
The funnel is definitely loose.
The chains are holding tight for now. We need to slow down for this bend.
All right, team, let's get this stabilized. Looks worse up close.
Yeah, the frame is completely buckled.
We'll need the heavy crane for this lift.
All right, easy now. Bring it down another foot. Watch the west side, clear the grid. Steady, steady, we are aligned.
The structural integrity of the front set completely compromised. We need to focus on the boiler cracks first.
The reed dent near the funnel measures nearly 10 inches.
Noted. The structural integrity of the cab is totally shot. The wheel mount is twisted.
Documenting the boiler damage now, the depth of these dents is surprising.
Yes, and the rear compression is measuring almost 40% here.
The structural damage is extensive. The underframe is twisted and the brake rigging is completely fractured.
The cab collapse is significant, almost 40 inches here.
Noted. The rear buffer is completely twisted.
Damage evaluation confirmed.
All right, let's prep for the disassembly phase. We'll start with the cab structure.
Okay, the prep is complete. Let's review the disassembly sequence for the engine block.
We'll use the gantry for the heavy lift once the connections are loose.
Funnel is logged, moving to the faceplate.
Okay, the coupling rod is free. Be careful with the boiler mounts.
I'm starting to loosen the bolts on the right side.
The main harness is disconnected up front.
The cab section is ready for removal.
Okay, that's the last bolt.
All right, I've got the weight. Let's set it down easy.
Copy that, coming down.
The microfractures on the boiler support are significant. Agreed. The internal structure near the cab is completely compromised. I've logged the wheel damage and the missing funnel.
Slowly now, almost there.
All right, stop here.
It actually worked.
It actually works. The pink is spectacular.
Bring it down slowly, watch the clearance.
Clear on this side.
All right, easy now, let the splines catch. Easy now, easy.
It's catching, rotate it clockwise slightly. All right, bring it down slowly, watch the clearance.
Got it. Looks aligned. Just a tap more to the left.
Steady.
Okay, tapping it now.
Just a little more.
A little lower on your side, Ben.
Okay, easy now, watch the alignment.
Looks good, set it down. A little more to the left, hold it there.
This one is really tight.
Almost there.
All right, looks good from here.
Okay, easy now, watch the paint. Got it?
wheel alignment is perfect.
We finally did it. She's perfect. All the hard work paid off. Look at that shine.
Everything looks solid around the pressure valve connection. Mark that as clear.
Okay, noted. We can move to the smokestack base.
Congratulations, team. Excellent work.
It's an honor, sir.
She's running perfectly.
Almost there, very slowly now.
We're aligned. Bring it down.
Clear, clear, set it down.
Pressure holding steady at 200 psi. Safety valve just popped, confirming calibration.
Look at that pressure.
We did it. She's alive.
We have movement. Steady now.
Confirmed. Traction is stable. Readings look good.
Look at that synchronization. Absolutely beautiful.
A roaring success, lads. Well done.
She did it. Absolutely beautiful. A perfect run. Well done, everyone.
Listen to her sing.
Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. It worked. We did it. Long live number one. She's all set, Captain. Full steam ahead.